Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace side marker bulb on 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. On this particular vehicle we're gonna be replacing the right hand side. If you're replacing the right hand side of the marker bulb, I figure out that the easiest way to do is to remove 4 bolts from this fender, so you can slightly bend it, move it, and then you have easier access to that socket. To remove those bolts you can use ratchet and 10mm socket. When you undo all 4 bolts you can slightly bend, push that fender, so you get the easier access to that socket, as you can see it. So when you get to that socket you want to turn it clockwise to undo it. So this is where your side marker bulb is located. When you have it out you can replace it with a new one, and before putting it back in you want to turn the lights on, make sure it works. So the new bulb is working. Now we can put it back in. Remember, when you're putting it back in you want to turn it counterclockwise to lock it. There is a tight space, but that's why you want to remove your fender, unbolt it, remove it, and you have then easier access. Make sure that socket is all the way in. When it's all the way in, you want to turn it counterclockwise to lock it. If you need to replace the driver's side marker bulb, you don't have to remove those that fender, because there is more space, and you should be able just to fit your hand through this hole here and get to the socket, which also, if you want to undo it, you need to turn it clockwise. And when you replace the bulb, when you install it back, you need to turn it counterclockwise to lock it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this information was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing to my channel and like the video. Thank you.